Beard, and I'm recording a follow-up video on how to install a screen protector. This time it's a little bit shorter, so it'll be a little quick. I'm recording from my professional studio here, the laundry room. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to install screen protectors on tablets, phones, any device that needs a screen protector. This will help you out. Save you time and money so you don't have to go driving around looking for someone to install it for you. You can do it yourself. Here we go. Alright, so here's the quick tutorial. First you need a phone, got one, and a screen protector. Any brand works, this just happens to be the brand. Hide advertisement. So I have my phone here. The key steps are preparation, that's the biggest part. So you gotta take it out of the case. So I've been using it for a couple days, so it's got some fingerprints on it, not too bad. So we're gonna do a quick open the box here, and you can use all the tools inside the box. You don't have to use any special tools or anything like that. Installation guide, don't need those. I've been doing this for quite some time. I can do it in under a minute, but I'll keep it down a little bit for you. This is the key component right here, your kit. Now, if it's a brand new phone, you could probably just peel off the plastic and go for step 2. But for me, step 1, I'm gonna take an alcohol wipe that comes with it. You don't necessarily need this, you can just use the microfiber cloth. This will just give it extra cleaning. Wipe it down real quick. Nice and clean. Take your microfiber cloth, dry it off a little bit. Make sure there's no fingerprints on there, no dot specks or anything like that. This is your frame. You could use this, you don't necessarily have to use this. Screen protector. It's glass one. Dust remover. This is important. Little microfiber dust particles on there. You got to get them off there. Beard hairs, you know. Dap it around the whole screen. You can use tape if you don't have one of these. Frame it up. This lines it up for this specific screen protector. Some of them have tabs you hold. Alright. Take the screen, peel it off. Line it up in the center, drop it in, and slowly work it down. So you can see here as I work it down, it's hard to tell, but it starts to get darker. It's laying itself down just all the way down the screen. Peel the top off. Microfiber cloth it. Now if there's any micro bubbles, you can actually peel up the edges and then push them down and they'll go away. Perfect. And there you have it. That's how you install your screen protector. If there's any little dust particles that you see, you can take that sticky thing, peel it up a little bit, stick it under the screen, pop it out real quick, you'll pull that dust bunny out, and your screen will be flat and good to go. All right, and now you pop it back in your case, and you're good to go. Hello, what's that? Oh, I just saved money? Thanks. And that's how you save money installing your own screen protector. One thing I forgot to note, if it has any micro bubbles in it, and like when you're done and there's no debris or anything under it, they'll usually go within 24 to 48 hours. Those glass screen protectors are lifetime guarantee. So now you've just saved some time, money, and you can get back to the things you enjoy. Y'all take care now. I'm no famous YouTuber, just trying to help you guys save some money. So I don't even get money for this. This is all for you guys.